Hey there, Share Market Secrets community. Today, we're diving into the 7 hottest AI-powered tools that'll revolutionize your stock market game in 2023. Let's unlock the secrets of these cutting-edge technologies. Number 1. Sigmoidal. Unleashing AI power. Sigmoidal harnesses the might of AI to predict market behavior and discover correlations between assets. From automated trading to in-depth investment analysis, their AI and robotic process automation services cover it all. Elevate your decision-making with Sigmoidal's technology-driven insights. 2. Trade ideas. You're trading a lie whether you're a novice or a seasoned trader. Trade Ideas has your back. With simulated training for beginners and advanced AI trading management tools for experts, it's a one-stop shop. Customize your trade methods, explore preconfigured layouts, and dive into full quote windows for a comprehensive view of stock data. 3. Signal Stack. Automation. Revolutionize levels the playing field by automating your orders based on alerts from any trading platform. This powerhouse technology, usually reserved for large organizations, is now at your fingertips. Turn signals into real-time trades, just like the big players. It's time for retail investors to embrace cutting-edge automation. 4. Trend Spider. Mastering technical analysis. Transfers. Advanced machine learning algorithm takes technical analysis to the next level. Tailored for both day traders and casual investors, its trading bots let you set conditions for automated actions. Whether posting on Discord or initiating trades, Trend Spider's got your back with precision and efficiency. 5. Tickeron. Confidence in Trend. Tickeron's AI trend prediction engine analyzes past data to forecast future market movements. It doesn't stop there. It provides a confidence rating, letting you assess the reliability of each forecast. Adjust your confidence levels and tailor your strategies with this powerful tool that brings certainty to your trading decisions. 6. AccuBot. Your personal news scoop. AccuBot doesn't just crunch numbers. It keeps you updated on global financial news and social media trends. With the ability to learn your preferences over time, AccuBot saves you the hassle of training. Stay informed, stay ahead. AccuBot is your companion in the dynamic world of finance. Number 7. Kavout. Data-driven prediction. Kavout processes information using advanced models, generating prediction rankings for stocks and assets. Test your strategies with their paper trading portfolio before diving into the market. Stay ahead with Kavout's market analysis tool and track the progress of the finest stocks on your customized calendar. Unlock the potential of these AI tools and stay ahead of the stock market game. Your journey to mastering market secrets starts now.
If you've enjoyed diving into the world of AI with us, make sure you don't miss out on any of our upcoming content. Hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you're always up to date with the latest insights, tools, and quotes related to AI. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.